Hello, this is J. Ramesh Kalyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. The course code and the course name is 23 ITT 101, Programming in C and Data Structures. Unit 1, Introduction to C. The topic is constants. So, C constants are like a variable except that their value never changes during an execution once defined. So C constant is the most fundamental and essential part of the C programming language. So these are fixed values that are used in a program, and its value remains the same during the entire execution process of the program without changing. So these the constants are also called as the literals, and it can be of any data types. And syntax for declaring a constant is constant type constant name. That is, we are using a constant keyword with the variable. So constant keyword defines a constant in C. So we'll have an example. So inside the main function we are defining the int side is equal to 10. For that we are defining constant, that is const, a keyword. Constant keyword is defined with the variable constant type. So different types of constant in C language. So constants are categorized into two basic types, and each type has its own subtypes or categories. So first one is primary constant. So in the under this we are having numeric constants and character constants. So numeric constants comprises of integer constants and real constants, and the character constants comprises of single character constants, string constants, backslash character constants. So the first one is integer constant. So it is referred to a sequence of digits. Integers are of three types, that is decimal integer, octal integer, hexadecimal integer. So an example is 15 minus 265 0 and 99818 plus 25. So this integers represent the different uh, constants, different integer types, that is decimal, octal and hexadecimal. This is based on the size. Next one is a real constant. So the numbers containing the fractional parts like 99.25 are called the real or floating point constants. So that is real constant is something similar one to the floating point or the double constant, that is having the decimal point values. Next one is a single character constant. So this simply contains a simple the single character enclosed within brackets, and it is also noted to be the character 8. For example, it is noted as character 8. It's not same as the same. So the value which we are giving inside the quotes is not equal to the value without the quotes. So this is the character constants have a specific set of integer values known as ASCII values, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So that is ASCII values. So an example for this is x, y and y. So all those integer values or the general variable that is declared inside a quotes. Next one is string constant. So these are the sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes, and they may include the letters, digits, numbers and blank spaces. So in string constants we are giving a name. For example, hello, HELLO. So this is a string, so this is given inside the double quotes. Next one is the backslash character constant. So this supports some so C supports some character constants having a backslash in front of it, and the list of backslash characters have a specific meaning which is also known to the compiler. So they are like termed as escape sequence. So an example is /t and /n. So /t is used to give a tab, and /n is used to give a new line. So these are the some of the constants used and its meaning, that is backslash a, I mean slash a, backslash a is it represents the beep sound, and b represents backspace, and f represents form feed, and n is, as we know, new line or is carriage return, t is horizontal tab, v is vertical tab, and single quotes, double quotes, backslash, and 0 represents null. So the two ways to define a constant in C is, first one is constant using a constant keyword. Second one is using hash defined preprocessor. So first one is using C constant, I mean constant keyword. So in this we could see in example, before the float we have mentioned a keyword called constant. So constant float pi is equal to 3.14. So this defines the constant keyword, and this is the program like which shows in compile time error, as we cannot modify the constant object, because as we saw previously, the constant variable is the one that doesn't change or does not change when the program gets till the execution process. Second one is using the hash defined preprocessor. So this by using this, it is a preprocessor directive which doesn't use memory for storage, and without putting a semicolon character at the end of the statement. So we could see this hash defined PA 3.4. So this is same as the previous one, using the keyword constant for defining the constant. Thank you.